guys, welcome to a new vlog. I'm out for a ski. It's my first cross-country ski of the season. Oh, and it feels so good to be outside. Back from my ski, I'm just about to get ready for an IG live on Beauty Scripts to talk about public profiles, which I shared with you guys in the last vlog. So exciting that all of these incredible makeup artists and estheticians and hairstylists are now available to the public through our public profiles. You can see their scripts, you can request a script, and it's just a really cool platform and way to connect. I'm currently washing all of my makeup brushes, so this is going to be a cream only application. Earlier I was tuned into the conference that Vogue is putting on right now online, and JW, or Jonathan from JW, or Anderson, had such a great chat at the Victoria and Albert Museum in London, and I just really resonated with what he was sharing. He was saying that when he created his fashion brand, he knew that he was not just creating a fashion brand, but that he was creating a cultural brand, and that he felt a responsibility to highlight the culture behind the manufacturing, the craftsmanship, all the pieces that go into his collections and what it stands for. And obviously a lot of brands have taken that on, bringing social impact into their story. And it occurred to me that sustainable fashion is culturally rich fashion, and that is the new norm. And I'm just so inspired by designers like Jonathan who really take that to heart. Add a little bit of blush. Are you guys feeling the effect of maskne and wearing a mask and what it's doing to your skin? I'm still figuring it out. I have been wearing a mask more, obviously, now that we know that that is a huge way to protect yourself from the virus and its spread, and just trying to figure out the best way to keep my skin happy and healthy. So I'm going to do another video on that specifically because I have been finding some really key things, and of course I will share them with you. Okay, so this is my everyday look finished for today. All cream products and an eyebrow pencil. I actually really like how minimal it is, and I look like me and my skin can breathe. So this is definitely one of my go-to for everyday makeup looks. Hey guys, I'm just getting ready to film some IGTV videos for Beauty Scripts. So I'm all dressed and I'm wearing this faux leather top with a faux leather skirt, and I have my over-the-knee boots and a little puppy dog. Hi, Tweetus. Are you being such a good boy? Nice to get dressed every now and again, even though I'm inside, I'm at home, but making the effort and wearing a red lip just feels so amazing. So guys, I just want to show you my outfit for today. It's a little inspiration that you might want to try for Thanksgiving. Definitely have that in mind. So I just paired this turtleneck. It's a cashmere turtleneck with these trousers that I rented from Rent the Runway. They're so amazing and such a cool green plaid color. And then I just paired them with my sock boots. So this is my Thanksgiving outfit as of now. And then I did my makeup. It's, well, let me turn it around. I stayed really autonomal with my makeup. It's sort of got the golds and the beiges and a little bit of the orange. And then I went for my double earring on one side, no earring on the other side. A little bit quirky, but I kind of like that. Keeps it interesting. I hope that this can be inspiring for you guys and that you have an amazing Thanksgiving dinner. Good morning, guys. Today is my birthday. I'm so excited to share this day with Joe Biden. We'll gladly share the celebration. And I'm just gonna head up to the park to go for a cross-country ski. And very important, I added these sun drops, this SPF drops from Dr. Strum. So anyway, to keep myself protected while I'm out there in the snow and the sunshine, And of course, I'll bring you guys along and show you the magnificent view that I'm going to have. All right, I'm out for a ski in the park. It's so beautiful. Can you guys see the Tetons behind me? Guys, so I just finished going for a Nordic ski up in the park here in Grand Teton National Park, and I pulled over to show you my favorite view. Just love, I can never get sick, never get tired of these Tetons. They are so beautiful, and I had such an amazing sunny day, even though it's only, I think it's like 18 degrees out, but because it's sunny, it feels so good and warm. I actually was hot when I was wearing my puffy layer over this. So anyway, I'm so glad I got such a nice day and that I could bring you guys along and just show you how beautiful Wyoming is. Hey guys, so I know the lighting is not great because the sun has already gone down, but I did want to show you I'm all dressed up for my birthday dinner, and based on the review of what to wear to my Thanksgiving dinner that I posted in Reels, option number 2 was the winner. These Prada heels that my stepmom gifted to me. I do love them. They are so beautiful, and I think they pair really nicely with this floral dress. I'll show you the full outfit. Okay, so this is the full look, and I do really love this dress with these heels because, as you can tell, this is a floral print, and then my shoes actually do have a little floral detail, like the suede is shaped into these sort of petals. So I think it goes really nicely together. So nice to be dressed up, even though I'm staying in because of COVID. And it's so funny, but even though I know we're in COVID right now, it didn't really dawn on me until a few days ago that I was gonna have a COVID birthday, which meant that I couldn't do my most favorite thing, which is to have a group of my closest friends and family over for a dinner and to celebrate with them. So anyway, it does feel so good to dress up though, and to mark the occasion, and just to kind of pull yourself together and revisit that part of me that really does love to get dressed up and loves to celebrate. So I'm just gonna share that with you guys. Take it from me, if you have an occasion, dress up. Even if you're staying in, just do it. You're worth it. It changes the energy of the whole event. So I really encourage you to do it. And of course I would love to see it. So if you do, take a picture and tag me, I'd love to see it. And today's my birthday and I'm celebrating it. And I hope that this finds you well wherever you are, and that you are celebrating yourselves and the events and occasions in your life too.